Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kriti, San and Hughes. Because I have a question for this gorgeous girl here.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for coming here. Yes, what's your question?
Okay, so because Kriti is here, of course, this moment is very special, and we have a very special announcement that she's going to make. But before that, okay, Kriti, we all know you're very, very busy with your schedule, with your shootings, with your appearances, and there's one thing which girls love, and that's jewelry. So obviously, with your busy schedule, I'm sure you do not get the time to go to the stores and get your favorite jewelry. So let me go ahead and ask you, do you shop online?
A lot, and I think I've just gotten hooked to online shopping. That's something which I probably do while traveling, while sitting in my vanity van, when I'm just chilling at home even, because it gets a little difficult even with the busy schedule, and also sometimes you can't really go out to malls and you can't go out, to shops. When it's raining, you don't really want to step out. So I think online shopping is the best thing which has happened in a few years, I feel. And it's so convenient, it's so easy. You can see all the various options in one platform, which is very easy, and just sitting at your home on your bed, you can do everything. So I am absolutely pro online shopping.
We are launching today has to say about this fantastic platform. Can we have the AV, please? Well, brilliant. This is technology, ladies and gentlemen. He's taking a picture of her hand. Okay, well, friends, we have one of our designers, Pallavi Foley, and she has a fantastic surprise here. So that is especially for the U Mumba team. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the gorgeous Pallavi, and she has designed a moment.
Congratulations to you all. A very good name, velvetcase.com. They needed to know, okay, Kriti is a face of velvet.com or velvet.com, or she's just coming to launch this particular thing.
Are you answering that? Well, for now, I'm just here to launch it, and it's a pleasure actually to be here and launch a brand which actually focuses on the consumers. And I'm very happy that they chose me to come and launch it here and be with you all and tell you all about velvetcase.com.
Wow.
A trust and security is very important. So how do you build up a trust for the customers actually?
It's a great question. I think this is probably the first question my mom asked me when I wanted to start this business. I think there are a multitude of factors. So what we, like I said, we're building a business which is consumer-centric. We stress a lot in terms of our customer service. All our customer care representatives are trained jewelry designers. They literally work with our consumers in terms of making sure that they become more advisors than people who are actually forcing a sale to happen. Each piece that we ship from our office to a consumer anywhere in the world is actually certified by third-party international laboratories and obviously gets manufactured by one of the leading jewelers or designers that exists in the world. I honestly, when we did research through a third-party marketing agency, what they actually found was that people trusted us more than traditional online companies because of the extra effort we took in terms of understanding their personal shopping experience. And that's really what we've been able to do in 2.5 years now. And we hope to continue to build this into a global enterprise.
How have been you handling all these, so many designers actually, it's a difficult task.
How are you handling them?
So I'll just answer that with one of my favorite quotes that a US president actually said. He said, a pessimist finds difficulty in every opportunity, and an optimist finds an opportunity in every difficulty.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
Hi.
Right. So wish you a belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
So you did not have any parties or get together yesterday. What was it all about?
Okay.
Why?
No, I'm not too much of a party person actually. I'm more of a home person. I like chilling just with my close friends. And that's what I did. And luckily my dad was also here for my birthday. So I actually had a candlelight dinner with my dad at home.
Oh wow.
Fantastic.
So are you really, you like investing in gold or you like investing in diamonds?
I love diamonds. I think all women just love diamonds. Gold is also something that I like. But it's something that I like to wear more in the traditional, in traditional occasions with more Indian wear. But diamonds is something that I really like. And yeah, that's my favorite. I think most women really like diamonds.
तो आपको गिफ्ट लेना पसंद है diamonds or you give it out to friends also?
Of course, लेना ज़्यादा पसंद है. Of course, and I like surprises also. I like them as birthday gifts also. But yeah, that's something that I think all women like. And if you're confused what to gift your girlfriend, you can always go with diamonds if you have that much of a budget for that particular gift.
तो can you revise one memories where आपको किसी से गिफ्ट मिला हो गोल्ड या डायमंड्स या फिर आपको आपने किसी को दिया हो?
नहीं यार, मुझे आज तक किसी ने गिफ्ट नहीं की है ज्वेलरी. It's very sad, I know, but yeah, I've not been gifted a jewelry yet. I personally do like using or kind of going and stealing my mom's jewelry once in a while. Earlier उनको लगता था कि शायद मैं डायमंड नहीं संभाल पाऊंगी तो इसलिए वो मुझे छूने नहीं देती थी. But now she feels that I'm probably a little responsible and I've started doing movies, I've started working on my own. So now on occasions if I want her sets and I want her little elegant diamond jewelry, I do take it.
So you just spoke about movies, so I'm a little bit going off topic. How was your shoot with Dilwale, Shah Rukh, Kajol? Can you just tell us?
Okay, I still haven't shot with them, unfortunately. But I'm really looking forward to shooting with them soon. It's going to be in August, mid-August, when probably all the combination shots and all combination scenes are going to happen. So I'm really looking forward.
That what was the thought behind choosing a sports team for launching the mobile app? Because it deals with a lot of delicate and designer things, which is, in context with the women. So what was the thought behind choosing the sports people?
Yeah, so for us, it's actually not about women, men, sports, Bollywood. We think about special occasions, special moments, and marking milestone, magical moments that happen in each of our lives. I think the U Mumbai team has been a fantastic franchise and a team that's coming together. I think it's our privilege to actually have them be part of this event and really launching the mobile app and basically saying, irrespective of where you come from in different parts of the country, you have accessibility to something which is present from any other part of the world.
There are speculations that you've been a part of Sultan. So is it true?
No, it's not true.
Okay.
And I saw very, comparable in terms of weightage and everything in other stores, but they were much more expensive. So how do you manage to be so much more competitive, almost about 20-25% difference in the pricing? How do you manage that?
So Lakshmi, great question. When we started the business, Kapil and me, there was one thing that we decided to stay true to, which was zero inventory. So we actually don't carry any inventory whatsoever. We enable our partners to come online, and what we're good at is technology and marketing. So what that allows us to do is actually help our partners also keep minimal inventory, and we promise a 10-day delivery to our customer, 10 to 14-day delivery. Everything is made to order. Most things are made to order. And we use CAD, CAM and some of the modern techniques to make this happen. And therefore, since we don't carry inventory, we don't have physical retail, we are much cheaper than physical retail.
Yeah, I mean, that was amazing. 25% cheaper than, some of the physical stores. I see huge value in that.
Absolutely.
The other thing I also noticed and is do you offer any kind of like certifications for your products, like diamond certifications?
Absolutely. Every single piece is certified. There is nothing that goes out without a 100% hallmark and a certificate from third-party international labs, GIA, IGI, DGLA. There's a bunch of them that we use.
Thank you.
Well, that was the last question of the session because we're running a little short with time. So once again, a big hand here, Zoda Talia for Kriti and for Kapil and Ronit. Okay, we are not done yet. We would now like to request all the designers and jeweler partners to please come on stage and have a photo op with gorgeous Kriti.